how to make homemade raspberry preserves from the bushes. This is not bad for just 2 days of home bushes here. First, it's 3 ingredients. Ingredients number 1, raspberries. As you can see, perfectly measured out to the absolute ounce and cup. Don't do that here. Then we're gonna need sugar. Oops, don't need fuzz. Okay, we're gonna need some sugar here. Once again, carefully measured out. A lot of raspberries. Still only about 1/3 the amount of sugar they would have me use otherwise. And then, of course, we need some lemon juice. Once again, measured out to the very ounce. Then we need a tater masher, and we're going to mash all of this stuff up. First, I want to plug in my little counter stovetop there, electric, and I'm just going to mash these up until it's ready to be raspberry. Then we will heat that up, or get it to a rolling boil for about 2 minutes, and then put it to a simmer anywhere from, always 30-45 minutes, but then I'm a slow simmerer. So what we're going to do now is just mash these up. That's almost where we need it to be. Like I said, make it into a good raspberry preserve looking thing. Got the heat on. So now it's a matter of just letting it sit until it becomes a rolling boil for about 2 minutes. Here's that deep rolling bubble we're talking about. Gonna let it kind of boil from the bottom of the magma pits for about 2 minutes here, and then we will simmer it, like I said, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. But looking good so far. Okay, now we are at where we want to be. See how it's all starting to wrinkle up there? All a little bit of push, and see all those little wrinkles occurring? That's where you want it. This is now thick enough to be made, or to be canned. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to do this with the ladle. There we go. Lost a little goop, but live and learn. There we go. Just I put too much in it the first time. I just don't want any dripping off. Pizzazz will lick that off later. And there we're going, jarring these suckers up. And there we go. A nice, deep, thick raspberry color. Excellent.